Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you 5 green flags that I have learned to be important from my own experience in the dating world, and also from the work I have done with clients and their own awareness, the things they have experienced and observed and acknowledged, and some of these ones you might miss them when you are first getting to know someone. Sometimes we are too caught up in show ourselves in the best way we can, in performing a bit, or we're nervous about this person being the right person, so we miss what could be good, and these things really matter a lot. They do matter. So the first one that for me is very important is when they notice your little emotional cues. So for example, you say that you have a headache, right? And you're a little bit off. And they actually ask. They actually want to know more, They want to know, oh no, how did it start? How long have you been feeling that? Or, oh, that sucks. Oh, that's sorry that you feel it in that way. Is there anything I can do to help you? Or, even if they try to validate or provide a solution to it, that's emotional presence. It's not just politeness, they actually care. The number 2, that I think is a massive indicator of somebody being interested to continue dating, is they are genuinely curious about you. And not just surface stuff like your job or your favorite food, stuff like that. But what do you care about? What lights you up, right? They want to know about, are you happy in your life? What does the future looks like for you? What are you missing in your life? The real stuff, the things that are really important, your inner world. The number 3 is when, for example, there is a tense moment, they try to repair it. Not perfectly. They might not have the tools or know-how, but they really have an intention to try to repair it, to fix it, to see what they can do. That tells you they value connection more than controlling. Yeah, they want to really try to make it work because they care. They care this connection that you guys are having. And the number 4, they remember the small things. Maybe you say something passing and then they bring it up later. I love when that happens. That's real attunement, right? So when you realize that person, you were talking about a type of film that you like, I don't know, you say, yes, I like horror movies, and then they say, oh, there is a horror movie in the cinema. Would you like to go? I know they learn. I know that you like this movie. Should we go? That's lovely when that happens, right? And 5, you feel safe being a little bit more like you each time. You feel like you can soften, breathe. You don't need to perform. You don't need to show the best part of yourself. You can just be a little bit more relaxed. For me, when you are with people and you feel these green flags, for me, these are the people that are worth leaning into. So yeah, pay attention to the green ones.